When travel season hits, the right carry-on luggage can make or break your journey. The best ones out there. They're lightweight, durable, TSA-approved, and glide effortlessly through crowded airports. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, investing in the perfect carry-on means no more struggling with bulky suitcases or worrying about damaged zippers. Now, before we dive into the top picks, don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest discounts on every product we cover. Let's get started. Number 5. QIMER 3-piece luggage set. Best for versatility. If you're looking for a complete travel solution without breaking the bank, the QIMER 3-piece set is a standout. This bundle includes a 20-inch carry-on, a spacious duffel bag, and a neatly organized toiletry bag. Everything you need for short trips or weekend getaways. The carry-on itself is crafted from 100% polycarbonate, making it scratch-resistant and surprisingly lightweight. What sets this luggage apart is its smart design. The rear sleeve attaches to the retractable handle, expanding capacity to 30 liters, while the TSA-approved locks keep your belongings secure during airport checks. The quiet double wheels are a game changer, gliding smoothly across tile, carpet, or uneven sidewalks, without the annoying wobble of cheaper models. Inside, you'll find a fully lined interior with compression straps to prevent clothes from shifting. The duffel bag is perfect for gym gear or extra souvenirs, and the toiletry bag has multiple compartments for hassle-free organization. At just $79.99 for the set, this is a steal for travelers who want functionality without sacrificing style. Number 4. BAGSMART 16-inch underseat carry-on. Best for budget airlines and tight spaces. Flying budget airlines with strict size limits, the BAGSMART 16-inch underseater is your best friend. Designed to fit snugly under airplane seats, this hardcase spinner measures just 18 by 8.87 by 13.38 inches, including wheels, and weighs a mere 2.2 pounds, making it one of the lightest options on the market. Despite its compact size, it packs a 33-liter capacity thanks to clever compression straps and a dual-compartment design. The 100% polycarbonate shell is both durable and scratch-resistant, while the 360-degree spinner wheels maneuver effortlessly through crowded terminals. Security isn't overlooked either. The TSA-approved combination lock ensures your valuables stay safe, and the 4-stage aluminum handle adjusts to any height. For frequent flyers who hate gate-checking bags, this is a no-brainer at $85.90 with a 5% discount. Number 3. 9 West 32-inch extra-large checked luggage. Best for long trips. Let's be honest, some trips require more than just a carry-on. Whether you're packing for a month-long European adventure, hauling ski gear to the Rockies, or traveling with kids, who somehow need more outfits than a fashion influencer. The 9 West 32-inch checked luggage is the oversized hero you've been waiting for. What makes this suitcase stand out? First, the weight-to-capacity ratio. At just 12 pounds empty, this hard-side behemoth offers a staggering 65.5 linear inches of packing space, enough for 3 weeks worth of clothing, or 2 weeks if you're the type who packs 5 pairs of shoes. Bulky winter coats, boots, and accessories without needing a second bag. A separate compartment for toiletries and tech gear, thanks to the smart interior dividers. But the real game changer, the 4 double spinner wheels. Unlike cheaper models that wobble, tilt, or, worst of all, collapse under heavy loads, these wheels glide effortlessly in any direction, even when the suitcase is packed to the 50-pound airline limit. You could literally push this thing through the airport with one finger while balancing a coffee in the other hand. Inside, the fully lined interior keeps clothes organized with compression straps and a zippered mesh panel. While it doesn't include a built-in TSA lock, the dual zipper pulls let you add your own. A small trade-off for the $189.95 price tag, which often drops to $160 during sales. Number 2. Level 8 24-inch Elegance hardside suitcase. Best for organized packers. If you're the type of traveler who color coordinates packing cubes and rolls every shirt to perfection, the Level 8 Elegance suitcase is basically your soulmate in luggage form. This 24-inch hardshell spinner doesn't just carry your belongings, it elevates the entire packing experience. First, the free packing cubes, yes, 4 of them, are a revelation. Unlike flimsy aftermarket cubes, these are custom-sized to fit the suitcase's interior, with 2 large cubes for pants and sweaters, 1 medium cube for shirts and blouses, 1 slim cube for socks and underwear. The 3-layer matte polycarbonate shell is both scratch-resistant and surprisingly lightweight, just 9.63 pounds empty. And the double spinner wheels are buttery smooth. No loud clacking or veering off course like cheaper models. Security features? Check. The built-in TSA lock keeps your valuables safe, while the fully lined interior includes zippered pockets for shoes and toiletries. At 26 times 17.5 times 10.4 inches. It's the perfect checked bag for 4 to 7 day trips. And the $229.99 price feels justified when you consider the included accessories, a $40 value alone. Real-world test. On a recent trip to Tokyo, this suitcase survived being tossed onto a bullet train, dragged across cobblestone streets, and stuffed with way too many souvenirs, all while keeping everything inside perfectly organized. Number 1. WEICHEN 29-inch aluminum magnesium luggage. Best for travelers. For those who've ever watched airport handlers yeet suitcases onto the tarmac and thought, mine wouldn't survive, meet the WEICHEN aluminum magnesium behemoth. This isn't just luggage, it's a 5.65 kilogram fortress, built to withstand everything from monsoon rains to being buried under 3 other suitcases in the cargo hold. The full aluminum alloy shell is practically indestructible, capable of handling 200 pounds of pressure without denting. Yes, someone actually tested this. Yet, thanks to aerospace-grade magnesium framing, it's lighter than most polycarbonate suitcases in its size class. Practical features, absolutely. TSA-approved combo lock, because even this tank needs security, 360-degree spinner wheels that glide like they're on ball bearings. Push-button handle with 4 height settings. No wobbly, wrist-breaking pulls here. Compression straps, plus skirted divider to keep suits wrinkle-free. At 30.79 by 19.4, 9 by 10.63 inches. It's technically a 29-inch suitcase, but the expansive interior fits enough for a 10-day trip, or a 5-day trip if you're packing formal wear. The $317.77 price tag might sting, but the 5-year warranty means you'll likely never need another checked bag again. That wraps up our top 5 carry-on luggage picks. Whether you need a compact underseater or a max capacity checked bag, there's something here for every traveler. If this guide helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Don't forget to check the links below for exclusive discounts, and happy travels.